So, I just flew in from Cook Station today to grab some footage and give you guys an update on the Wares Ferry Road bridge construction. Honestly, after all the rain we've been dealing with over the past month, it was awesome to finally get up in the air on such a beautiful, gorgeous day. Here we are flying over the railroad tracks there on Wares Ferry Road, coming down to the approach of the bridge construction. There you have it. This is looking at it from the Montgomery side. We're still looking at it from the Montgomery side. This is from the Cook Station side. Looks like they've got quite a lot of work still to do. There's a much closer look at the work being done. And we're going to give you a look back towards Montgomery and the intersection there at Wares Ferry Road and Macklemore. Kind of an overview of that particular area. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.